All right, Dustin, here's your 347 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Pro manifold, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the front sump oil pan. March set up on it, all blacked out. Going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3800, 381 torque, peaks torque 433, peaks horsepower 505, so right at 500, it's got a front end, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag of your engine number, some other specs. That number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.